Hi, welcome to this channel. One small mistake on wrong lifting moment that may be enough to cause severe back pain or lifelong injury. At home, in offices, warehouses, factories, construction sites, and loading areas, we may need to lift or carry heavy object manually. But lifting is not only about physical strength. The correct technique and proper precautions are more important than strength. Note that point. Manual lifting can cause severe injuries, including back pain, muscle strain, spiral injury, joint damage, hernia, crushed fingers or toes, and slips and falls. So, how can we lift a load safely? First point, check the load before lifting. Never try to lift an object immediately just by looking at it. First, gently push or tilt the object to estimate its weight. Note this point. Check whether the load is stable, properly packed, and easy to hold. When it is too heavy, too large, or difficult to grip, do not lift it alone. Ask another person for help or use suitable equipment such as trolley, hand pallet truck, wheelbarrow, lifting table, or hoist. Asking for help is safer than trying to prove your strength. Second point, plan the task and inspect the route. Before lifting, decide where the object has to be placed. Inspect the route carefully. Look for water, oil, electrical cables, uneven floor, stair, low ceilings, and other obstacles. Make sure the destination is clear and ready. Never lift the load first and then searching for a place to keep it. That's a point for danger. Please note. Third, stand in the correct position. Stand close to the load. Keep your feet approximately shoulder width apart. Place one foot slightly forward to maintain better body balance. Do not stand far away and stretch your arms to reach the object. The farther the load is from your body, the greater the pressure on your lower back. Fourth, do not bend from your waist. This is one of the most important safety rules. Do not bend forward with a rounded back. Bend your knees and lower your body into a stable position. Keep your back in a natural straight posture. Keep your head up and look forward. Hold the load securely with both hands. Then rise slowly using strength of your legs only. Use your legs muscle, not your back muscle, to lift the load. Main pointer. Do not lift a sudden or jerky movement. Lift slowly and smoothly. Fifth point, keep the load close to your body. Hold the load close to your chest or abdomen. Keeping away from the body greatly increase the stress on your back, shoulders and arms. Make sure you have firm grip, use suitable gloves when the object is sharp, rough, hot or slippery or difficult to hold. Our gloves should not be reduce your grip. 6. Never twist your body while carrying a load. Do not turn only your waist while holding a heavy object. Twisting under a load can seriously injure spine. To change direction, move your feet in a small step and then turn your whole body. Avoid sudden turning, bending or sideways movement. 7th point, do not carry a load that blocks your vision. When a large object prevents you from seeing the path ahead, do not carry it alone. Divide the load into smaller parts. Get assistance or use a mechanical aid. Walking with blocked vision is especially dangerous in stairs, ramps, uneven floors, and bushy work areas. Eighth point, carry the load carefully. Walk slowly and maintain stable posture. Do not, while carrying load, do not carry it above shoulder level unless the task has been properly assessed and suitable equipment is available. Avoid carrying load over long distance. Use a trolley another material handling equipment device wherever possible. Ninth point, lower the load safely. Placing the load down is just as important as lifting it. Do not suddenly drop or release the object. Stand close to the destination. Bend your knees while keeping your back in a natural position. Lower the load slowly and carefully. Make sure your fingers, hands, feet, and toes are not trapped underneath it. When two people lift together, note this: heavy, bulky, or long object should be lifted by two or more people. Before lifting, discuss the method and direction of movement. One person should coordinate the activity. Use a clear command such as 1, 2, 3, lift, etc. Everyone must lift, walk, turn, lower the load at the same time. Poor communication during team lifting can cause serious injuries. Important final precaution: do not lift heavy loads when you are tired, unwell, dizzy, or already suffering from back, shoulder, knee, or joint pain. Wear suitable safety footwear with a good grip and toe protection. When required, workers should receive proper manual handling training. Whenever possible, redesign the task as the manual lifting is reduced or completely avoided. Check the load, plan the route, stand close, bend your knees, keep your stable, hold the load close, lift with your legs, never twist. A few seconds of precaution can prevent years of pain. Work safely, protect your back, and return home healthy. Please like, share, and subscribe for more practical workplace safety information. Thanks all.